If you are using Copilot in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint right now for free, enjoy it while it lasts, because on April 15th, that's less than 2 weeks from today, Microsoft is pulling the plug. They gave millions of users free AI inside Office apps just 6 months ago. And now they are taking it back unless you pay them $30 per user per month. And this could be another reason, that I'm going to talk about at later stage of this video. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Technoholic. In this video, where we focus on productivity videos like this. So if you are new to this channel, I would recommend you to subscribe so you never miss any video from our side. And in this video, I am going to show you what is changing and who getting hit the hardest and who remain unaffected. And most importantly, if you still need it, I'm gonna also name some of free alternatives that honestly work better than Copilot anyway. So let's get into it. So starting April 15, 2026, Copilot will no longer be available in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote for Copilot chat users. Now, what does Copilot chat users mean? That's basically everyone who do not have paid Copilot license. Now, this could be enterprise users, small users, and individual users. So right now, the biggest impact going to have on enterprise users. And the way Microsoft classify it, let's say if your company have more than 2,000 users, then in that case, you are enterprise customer. For you, Copilot is completely removed from Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Now, you need to pay $30 per user per month. However, if your company has fewer than 2,000 users, then in that case, Microsoft going to consider you as a smaller business. For you, Microsoft is being slightly kinder. You won't lose Copilot entirely, but you will get what they call standard access. And what does standard access mean? Unfortunately, it means reduced quality, slower responses, and throttle during business hours. And get this, you will also start seeing pop-ups and notifications nudging you to upgrade to the paid version. So basically, they are turning your free Copilot into an advertisement for the paid Copilot. Now let's talk about individual users where, again, it comes in two different categories. One is free tier Office. Another one is, let's say you are using Microsoft 365 Personal, Premium, or Family Plan. So for you, the good news is there is no change going to happen. You still can enjoy Office for Copilot as usual. Now, as I was mentioning before, I'm going to talk about what could be the possible reason why Microsoft is pulling out the plug. Well, I think one biggest reason could be the data leakage, or big enterprise think it as a potential risk of their IP or highly sensitive content may get leaked. I mean, this is my own hypothesis. Else, you can think of, why Microsoft won't provide their cutting edge technology to their biggest customer. Alright, so if you are from that category but still want to use Copilot, then you have a lot of free alternative available. The first one and the most competent one is Claude by Anthropic. And honestly, for writing, analysis, and document work, this is the best AI I have ever used. And your company, let's say, also install other browser except Microsoft Edge, for example, Chrome. You anyway going to see AI is already integrated to those browsers. Microsoft gave you free AI, so you got hooked. Now they want $30 per user per month. I would say this is classic move. This is how most of software companies distribute freebie in starting, so that users can get taste of it, such that they can realize the potential value that they can extract out of it. And if they think that this is useful enough to pay that amount, then users will got converted to customers and remaining may not. And I think this is a good strategy, because this way everybody already tasted if this is worth it for them or not. Tell us what is your opinion of Microsoft decision to pull out Copilot in comment down below. Subscribe to Technoholic for more such Office and Office related insights, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.